Oh, you.
So this is my second plain print Great Gull, because on the day that I maiden flight the first one, on the second flight I was all by myself and I hand launched into the ground.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah, because I was on too high rates. But so I built this one. That's the beauty of 3D printing. You buy the design from plain print and then you can print it again and again and again for no extra cost. And the filament doesn't cost a lot, so it's probably about £10 of filament and the same gear. And it's easier because the push rods, you use those the same again and everything else is the same. So let's see if this one flies as well as the other one.
Right.
Yep. That went off okay.
Right.
Went away nice and level.
Good.
Track out this way for our first turn and power off. I think it flies better than the first one.
That's going nice.
Oh, nice. I tell you what, it's not really affected by the wind.
It's nice and easy to film.
Nice and easy. So the great thing about this is you actually get two designs in one, because you can build it just with the glider body, which would be great for the slope, or maybe even for towing. Bit of height. Don't worry if your arm gets tired, Nick, with that heavy camera.
I'll be alright. It's not too fast this, so it's easy to track.
Oh, look at that.
Flying good, so you can catch thermal.
Oh, a little bit of a tip stall. Great thing is fly for quite a long time, because you just use the power to get a little bit height and then off the power and glide. Right, one more downwind pass.
Speed pass.
Yeah. See how fast this gull can go. Just a close pass. Gear down, pass.
It'd be two in the green, wouldn't it? Because it'd only have two legs.
Yeah. That would be funny, wouldn't it?
If
Two
its little
two
legs
little
going
yellow
down.
legs deployed.
Sure, we could make that happen.
Ooh. Going around.
Oh, how unlucky was that?
And then you need its legs in the air.
Yeah, that's when you want to deploy the legs now, when it's upside down. Pure comedy gold.
Brilliant. Well, that flew even better than the first one, so I'm really happy about that. Really, really good. And so easy to put together. Plain print designs really are good. You're guaranteed that it's easy to assemble, really good instructions, and will fly really well. And easy paint job as well, just with a little bit of sponge and just a nice scheme. So thanks for watching. Link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment, along with the power system from 4Max, which is basically an FMS 15mm EDF fan running on 4S 2600 pack, which just squeezes in. Just have to be careful of cables and everything that they go under the fan, and there's a gap for that, so you feed everything under there. So really good. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Nick for filming. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye. Cool.
Oh.